There is a saying that if you love what you do, you will never work a day in the life. But what if you don't know what you love? How do you find that? 3 years ago, I started to teach Agile and Scrum and also other IT related topics, including YouTube and TikTok for business. The teaching industry is all about serving people and giving them hope. This industry is about giving energy, giving inspiration, giving motivation. This industry is about ability to transform the lives of others. At least I believe so. And the number one question that everyone asked me was, why did you start? Why did you do it? Now, I have to tell you, I didn't get into the teaching industry because I wanted to transform the world. I got into the teaching industry because I needed one. And once my life was transformed, I was so inspired by what happened in my life that I wanted to help and touch others. I've heard somewhere that so many people who are serving others are wounded healers, meaning we came through hurt or we came through something and we want to turn around and help someone else. I absolutely agree with that. So I didn't step into the transformation saying I want to transform the world. I stepped into transformation saying I need to rescue myself from myself. I'm my first rescue. And then something beautiful happened. I had breakthrough. I had the transformation. So that's how I discovered.